Good morning, students. I am Dr. Ritika, the faculty of CSC department. As an associate professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, today I am going to deliver the lecture on the subject of computer application in management, or you can say CAM. And today we will cover the topic of our computer and its application, which is related to the topic of our unit 2, or you can say section B. So let's start. What is computer? Computer is an electronic data processing device which accepts and stores data input, processes the data input and generate the output in a required format. So here are the some functionality of a computer, and this diagram shows which is based on the definition. In this diagram you can easily understand computer which gives input to the computer process its input and gives the output. So if we look at it in a very broad sense, any digital computer carries out the following 5 functions, or we can say the functionality of a computer. So step 1, take data as input. In step 2, stores the data and instruction in its memory and uses them as required. Step 3, processes the data and convert it into useful information. In step 4, it generates the output, and the last step is to control all the above 4 steps. So these are the 5 steps in which our compute functionality of computer are based on these 5 steps, or you can say it is a definition of a computer which are based on the 5 steps. So next, advantages of computer. Here are the some different advantages of computer, like high speed. High speed means it is very fast device which is capable of performing calculations of very large amount of data. The computer has units of speeds in microseconds, nanoseconds and even the picoseconds. It can perform millions of calculations in a few seconds, as compared to man who will spend many months to perform the same task. So first was the speed, second is the accuracy. In addition to being very fast, computer is very accurate. They calculate 100% error free and perform all jobs with 100% accuracy, which is provided that the input is correct. Next is the storage capability. Storage capability contain memory is very important characteristics of computers. A computer has much more storage capacity than human beings. It can store large amount of data, or we can say it can store any type of data such as image, video, text, audio. Next is the diligency. Unlike human being, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness and lack of concentration. So it can work continuously without any error and burden. It can perform repeated tasks with the same speed and accuracy. Now next is the versatility. A versatility is a very useful and a very versatile machine. You can say computer is a very versatile machine which is very flexible in performing all jobs to be done, and this machine can be used to solve the problem related to various fields. At one instance, it may be solving a complex scientific problem, and the very next moment it may be playing a card games also. Next is the reliability. Computer is a reliable machine. So modern electronic components have long lives, and computers are designed to make maintenance easily. Next is the automation. Computer is an automatic machine. The automatic is the ability to perform a given task automatically. Once the computer receives a program, that is, the program is stored in the computer memory, then the program and instruction can control the program execution without human interaction. Next is the reduction in paperwork and cost. So, the use of computer for data processing in an organization leads to reduction in paperwork and result in speeding up the processes. As data in electronic files can be retrieved as and when required, the problem of maintenance of large number of paper files get reduced through the initial investment for installing a computer is high. Its sustainability reduces the cost of each of its transactions. Now next is the disadvantages of computer. So a computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. So each instruction has to be given to the computer and computer cannot take any decision on its own. So first disadvantage is the dependency. Its function as per the user's instruction, thus it is fully depend on humans. Environment. The operating environment of the computer should be dust free and suitable. No feeling. Computer has no feeling or emotions, so it cannot make judgment based on feelings, taste, experience and knowledge unlike humans. Now, the invention of computer has led to the advancement in science and technology. Life has become more efficient with the use of computer in our day-to-day life. Early, it was mainly used by large organizations for scientific research and engineering applications, but today computer is being used in almost every field of our life. So the major area of computer application are as following. So let's move about the computer applications. Now, applications of computer. First is banking. Here you can understand with this figure how computer is useful in banking line. So, computer in banks to customer information, products, report and profits, transactions and goals, credit applications, delinquencies and miscellaneous are the some applications of computer in bank. Now, online banking, you can check your past transactions from the date of account opening with real-time balance. Money can easily be transferred to an account across the globe. So internet banking also allow us to use ATM or debit card to shop, buy tickets, pay bills for utility services like electricity, telephone or postpaid mobiles. So we can subscribe to free monthly bank accounts, statements, all and apply online to open fixed deposits. The facility of subscribing to mobile banking, it enables us to virtually carry along the banks with us. Now, that is ATM, that is automatic teller machine. So customer can access their bank account in order to make cash withdrawals, credit card, cash advance and check their account balances as well as purchase prepaid cell phone credits also. It also provides the best possible exchange rate for foreign travels and heavily used for the purpose as well as. Now, computer in manufacturing, that is CIM or you can say CAD. CIM is the computer integrated manufacturing or computer aided design technique make use of group of technology to create similar geometric for quickly retrieval, electronic files and many more. So in this diagram you can understand how computer is helpful in manufacturing also. Engineering and manufacturing. So architect and engineers take the aid of computer aided design and computer aided engineering for designing and manufacturing at high quality products like car and planes. With the help of this technology, they can design the layout of the building and view the objects in details. In computer and engineering, so engineering is helping us to create some of the important factors or simply using a computers to create an image about their plan by means of using programming language, so to control their machines and many more, all are related to the computer in our engineering field also. In business like accounting, customer interaction, scheduling, communication, website and many more. So computer is also helpful in business field also. Here you can see how online meetings to be held on, how some presentation to be done, how some meetings to be held. All processes are done with the help of our computer in business. So communication. So first is the communication is a key when gaining and maintaining clients and other important contacts. Computer give business access to email, instant messaging and customer contact systems. Now next is the marketing. Computer allow business to create websites, stunning ads and complete marketing campaigns. So marketing videos can be edited and custom ad created in-house with the use of specialized computer. In accounting, accounting without computer presents a high risk for human error. So it allows business to simply input their financial data and instantly see gains and losses. So all necessary tax reports are available the moment the data is entered. Using computer for invoicing, managing expenses and calculating payrolls is a vital for ensuring financial data is as accurate as possible. In storage, instead of filing cabinets, business are able to store millions of files using computer and server. So data can be stored centrally for easy access from multiple computers or stored locally for individual use. So computerized stores save space and provide a far more efficient organization strategies. With encryptions, passwords replace keys, data remains secure. Next is the documents and reporting. In business, we have some sort of productivity of software which includes word processor and some spreadsheet application. So these two programs which allow the business to create reports, memos, tutorials and even colorful ads for their company events also. So the spreadsheet application give business the chance to organize, manage and calculate both numeric and alphabetic data. With charts, graphs, reporting becomes visual instead of text based. In business, it helps in improving business activities throughout the world. So we can access to the latest technologies and manpower across the world. The e-commerce has completely changed the scenarios of online shopping. The global business relation can now be maintained through internet also, which is very much helpful for our business line. And computer is used in offices for maintaining sales and marketing records. some stock controls, planning, production, tax records, preparing salary sheets, etc. So in business, computer is very helpful. Now next is the medical term. Here the different figures you can easily understand how computer is helpful in our medical term also. For diagnostic systems, it used to collect data and identify cause of illness. Lab diagnostic systems, all tests is to be done and report are prepared by computers also. Patient monitoring system, which are used to check patient signs for abnormality such as cardiac arrest or ECG. Next is a pharma information system. So computer check drugs level, expiry dates, harmful drug side effects also. So in the chemist shop, computer is also very helpful. In surgery, nowadays computers are also used in performing surgery also. Patient history, hospital management system can store data about patients. So computers are used to store data about patients, their diseases and symptoms, the medicines that are prescribed. Some patient records are to be stored in the computer with the help of hospital management systems. Medical sectors. So more applications of computer in medical sectors are it help in diagnosing disease and controlling important medical processes like CITI scan, X-rays, ECGs and ultrasounds. So computerized equipment are helpful in maintaining patients' medical records and performing surgeries. Computer can be used for research and to help the doctors in the treatment of the disease. Now computer in hospitals. Here you can see different machines are there like ECG, MRI and some other information with the help of which doctors can store the data. Doctors can see the history of our patients with the help of computers. So they can use for doctors order, charting notes, documentation, vital signs and so many other things in which computer is very useful in our medical term. Now computer at home. A great advantages of home computer is that they allow individuals and families to achieve a variety of tasks at home. So families can use word processing programs for homework, spreadsheets to manage bills, and internet for social networking and entertainment. While students can use computer at home and adults at work, the convenience of being able to use a computer at home is a great advantage in itself. So many businesses also allow their employees to work from home via computers, thus saving traveling expenses to and from the offices as well as saving company resources also. So before going to finish, we will cover what we have covered. We will just take a review what we have covered in our slide. The slide is related to our computer and its application. Firstly, we have covered what is computer. Then we have covered some functionality of computer. After that, we have covered some advantages of computer like high speed, accuracy, storage capacity, diligence, versatility, reliability, automation, reducing paperwork and cost. Then after that we have covered some disadvantages of computers like dependency, environment, no filling. So before going earlier we have invented computer for our advanced science and technology. To cover all major areas, we will follow some applications of computer, like some in major areas of computer application are like applications of computer in banking. In banking, the customer information, some products, reports and profiles, some transactions and goals, some credit applications, all processing to be done in the field of bank with the help of computer. So we can transfer the account across the globe, some internet banking to be done, some account statements to be easily maintained, and some mobile banking to be done with the help of our computer also. That is automatic teller machine. We have already explained you in slide that ATM is basically used to cash withdrawal, credit card cash advance, and check their account balances also. Computer in manufacturing, some CAD and computer integration manufacturing techniques to be done with the help of computer also. In computer aided design and computer aided engineering, so computer is useful for both engineering and manufacturing fields also. On computer engineering, we have learned about how computer is helpful to create images, to plan some new things, to plan by using with the help of some programming languages. So we have done computer in engineering. And in businesses like accounting, scheduling, communication, customer interaction, and other website related information to be done with the help of business computer in business. And in this we have covered some communication, marketing, accounting, storage, documents and reports. Now in business, how business activities to be done all over the world with the help of computer, like to planning, stock controlling, production, tax reporting, preparing salary sheets, some maintaining sales and marketing records, how computer is useful in offices, in business line also. In medical term, we have learned some diagnostic systems, lab diagnostic systems, patient monitoring system, pharmacy information systems, some surgery. In surgery line, we will use computer, some maintaining some patient record with the help of hospital management systems. Some medical sectors, we can say some X-ray, ECG, ultrasound, we will use our computer. Then how computer is helpful in doctors also. In hospital line, they give some advantages which allow their now computer in homes also, how computer in homes, how they allow the families to achieve variety of tasks at home. They allow some word processing programs which is basically used to maintain bills, internet for social networking, entertainment. So for students also, how students can complete their work with the help of computer at home. And now in many businesses, it allows their employees to work from home with the help of computer. So it is all about our applications of computer. Now upcoming next slide we will cover further more applications of our computer. So that's it students. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Thank you.